Bye. Love you too. Behave yourselves. Okay, see you guys in a bit. Come on. No. I'm gonna catch fish. Catching dinner. Yep. Love you too. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to KC Kayak Fishing. If you're new here, my name is Kyle. It's day 3 in beautiful Ucluelet, British Columbia on Vancouver Island. So today we actually weren't gonna fish, or I wasn't gonna fish. We decided to have this wonderful idea, like let's go cook some fish burgers on the beach. And then I came up with the idea, how about I go catch a fish, bring it back to the beach, and we'll cook it right there. An hour-old fish. So that's the plan for today. Fish burger, catch and cook. Hopefully lingcod or rockfish. Any type of bottom fish works great. Lingcod obviously being our favorite. So we're on a time crunch. If I don't catch any fish too, 6 people at the beach don't eat. They won't be happy with me. I just realized I didn't bring anything to drink. I was in such a rush. Oh, God. That means no monsters today. Actually, I can't go out without monsters.
Hello?
Can you send Macy out here in the kayak with a couple monsters and a Gatorade? I didn't bring anything to drink. Time out. GoPro, stop recording. Okay. Switch this for my gaff that I'm so good at using. Take that off. Move that there. They're ready. This is tough, fishing under pressure. Now I know how you tournament guys feel. There's a fish. Fish on, guys. Really hope it's a keeper. Some weight to him. He was just holding on. Oh my God. Just lost one. Well, it's not dinner time yet. It's only 4 o'clock. All right. Okay. Bite. There's another fish, guys. Hopefully this one's not hanging on. There's the leader. Yeah, he let go again. Just a little baby ling. But I think we found the spot. Pressure's on though, it's 4 o'clock. fish or am I snagged? That's a fish. There's a leader. Oh, that one wasn't a keeper either. Son of a bitch. They're all little. Fish on, guys. Oh, he let it go. Son of a bitch. That's a keeper, I think. Oh, he came off again. Damn it. There's a fish, guys. I really hope that's a keeper. That's a keeper. Ooh. Where are you? Oh, we got one. Whew. Oh, finally. Finally. Look at that thing, you guys. Beautiful fish. Oh, that was a grind. Absolute grind to get that fish. Beautiful. Let's get a quick measure on him. Oh yeah, he's like 28. Did you guys see that? I didn't screw up the gaff. That was awesome. So now I think we're gonna head into shore. This is honestly getting kind of scary. Got a big old ling. 28, 29. Hi. Yep. I did.
Any luck out there?
Yeah, we got one lingcod. Yeah. Should be good for dinner.
All right, guys, we're here back at the beach. Kyle just got back from fishing and he caught a nice little ling. And the kids are hungry, so we are gonna cook it up here on the beach. Nothing like fresh fish, that's about as fresh as you can get. And we're gonna make some spicy lingcod burgers. We will have the link to the recipe down in the comments below. And yeah, join us on our little cooking adventure. Beautiful little spot to cook.
Yeah, we'll put it all in the bucket.
Can you go grab it, Macy? Hello. Lingcod.
Yeah.
Yeah, he caught it out there. In the kayak, yeah. 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 We're gonna. Yeah, for sure. Go for it. Fish burgers for dinner, guys.
Fish burgers!
Look at that beautiful fillet job, as always.
Perfect.
It's better than what I could do. Kyle's a fillet guy. I'm no good.
No, you're good.
No, I'm still learning. I can catch the fish, but cutting them still needs work. Got our kiddos here with us. Love getting them involved in the sport.
Hello.
All right.
So what, there's 7 of us?
Yes.
We forgot paper towel to dry this off.
Yes, we did. We always forget something. Excited for fish burgers?
Yes.
How excited?
Forever.
Forever?
Yes.
Forever fish burgers? I agree, buddy. This is Kyle's famous spicy fish burger recipe.
And I can't get the...
You can do it. I believe in you.
I can't. It's been sitting in the...
Cooler. You got this. You got it.
Buttermilk.
Macy's our little helper over here. She was taking the guts out for us.
Smells good.
Ooh. Oh
The
yeah.
hot sauce we're using.
Yum. It smells good. Peach. Peach habanero.
It also takes a lot of the...
Don't make it too spicy though.
it's not- it also takes a lot of the spice out of it.
Right. That's true.
I'm starting to like spice more.
The buttermilk, that is. Do a little bit of paprika. We don't measure anything.
Nope. And usually turns out pretty good, so.
Chili powder.
We're just winging it.
Black pepper.
I'm hungry already.
Now, I don't have anything to... Oh, I do!
What? What's so exciting? Oh, to stir it?
In our little kit.
Oh,
Mixy. We'll do 1, 2.
is that all the fish?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm only gonna have 1.
Okay.
Mom, how many do you want?
I'll have 1 too. It's fine.
So the rest of that can get fried up in buttermilk. Or
Regular. Just maybe do 1 more. And then the rest can be for the kiddos.
remember, the kids are in the square one.
Okay.
What?
Square one are the not spicy ones. Are you excited for fish burgers?
Yeah.
Yeah. We like fish in our house, don't we? Yeah.
We'll eat it up in seconds.
Oh yeah. Can't get much better than this though, guys. The
That's
eagles.
not even an hour-old fish.
Our old fish. We got the ocean behind us. Eagles are talking to us, flying around. Can't get more beautiful than this. Fresh fish burgers with our kids on the beach. They're super excited. I'm super excited. These things are so delicious. I think Kyle said he would put a link in the description below to the recipe. But it's pretty,
It's in my brain.
it's in Kyle's brain. And this, we haven't used it yet, have we?
No, it's probably gonna suck.
It's probably another Amazon special.
Thing's lighting on fire again. Amazon. This is just 50-50 flour and cornstarch. Think it works? Woo.
Did work, look at that.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Until it starts to get clumpy, but. This is the kids?
Yeah.
Okay.
I might eat an adult burger.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Yes. We're doing the kids separately because we didn't, of course, put all the hot sauce and spices in their buttermilk. We're doing theirs a little bit more plain.
They're sissies.
Yeah.
Yeah, we love things a little bit more plain.
Yeah, that's okay. Nothing wrong with that either.
Yeah. You guys.
Actually, no, we didn't get this at Amazon.
This is at Cabela's.
Yeah, we got it at Cabela's actually. It's genius, because I don't know if you guys have ever tried to bread fish at home. It can make a pretty big mess. It can be a little bit messy. All right. Do you want the tongs? Look at that, guys. It looks amazing. Good job, babe. The cornstarch and the flour just gives it that little bit of crunch on the outside. Nice, tender, juicy Lingcod on the inside. I'm hungry. Nice catch today.
Not bad.
Not bad. Looks so good.
That food looks
Delish.
delicious.
What a view for dinner.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we should do this. That was coming up just for us for dinner. Well, we should do this every.
All right, we're out of plates, so we're winging it with paper towel. This is just your basic coleslaw mixture. Add a generous amount of that. And then this is Sriracha mayo. Sometimes we use Chipotle mayo. Kind of the same thing. Bit of that on the top. And there's your spicy fish burger. Perfection.
Beautiful perfection.
So good.
That's as high as it'll go.
What are we doing, babe?
I'll show you.
Okay, show me.
We're having an after dinner coffee
Ooh.
with one of our favorite coffee companies on the island.
Only the best.
One of the best.
Cabin Fever Coffee Company.
What is that mean, Mom? Cabin fever.
So my mom wants decaf.
Yeah.
Just like that. There it is.
There.
I'm a barista.
You are. You're in everything. Fisherman, barista, cook.
A scaly one at that.
It's pretty bad.
That's so bad. Look at that. Wear sunscreen, folks. Right?
We're men. We don't wear sunscreen.
And then you get skin cancer.
We chew tobacco and drink black coffee.
Gross. Okay.
GoPro, stop recording.
Alrighty guys, that's a wrap. Kayak fishing in Ucluelet, BC. 2024, day 3. Did our first catch and cook here. Was it good?
It was so good.
I think it was delicious. My mom even agrees. The kids finished their plates.
Which is a miracle, honestly. Our kids are such picky eaters for the most part. And they, all 4 of them, cleared their plates and were asking for more. Good job, Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy killed it today.
His heron.
Look at his heron. He's gonna shit right on us. It was a perfect end to a great day in one of our favorite locations in the world with our favorite people and our favorite meal, topped off with our favorite coffee. As always, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook at KC Kayak Fishing. Until next time, we'll catch you guys later.